going to learn how to use some of these visualizations. So today I'm going to use four of them and also teach you how to use four of them. So let's get started. First, let's close this one and don't save. Then let's create a blank report in our new Power BI. Let's load our data. You can load your data or the data that I'm going to put the link in the description. So let's load this one. After it's loaded, we are going to make some change in the table view. So let's scroll to salary year average, make it so descending because it's money. So we are going to add a currency to it and make the decimal places 0 like this. And let's go to report view. Let's add our visualization, which is stack bar chart. Let's stretch it and make it bigger like this, and let's go to focus mode. So now I'm going to add my data to this visualization. Let's go to job title short and put it in y-axis, and we are going to put salary year average to x-axis and make it from sum to median. Okay, now let's change the names to job titles and median yearly salary and the currency like USD and the dollar sign and close the brackets like this. Now let's go to format visual, and because we don't need this title that's located here, so I'm going to turn it off like this. And now let's go to general to modify our real title or main title. Let's erase it and write what are the highest paying jobs in a question mark. Let's make it 18 and let's center it. So like this our data is organized. So now let's add a filter. You may ask, what does this filter do? This filter will only show the jobs which contains the word data. So let's make this filter. First you are going to click on the bottom of the page, then let's add job title short, and here let's go to advanced filtering and let's write here the word data. So what does it mean? It means show only jobs or titles which contains the word data. Let's apply filter and done. Everything is done. Our first visualization is made, which is very organized and well done. So thank you for watching. See you on the next part.